Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2011 Holden Colorado, stock number 5927. This ran from 05-2008 to the 12-2011. It's a 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder diesel engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front aftermarket 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front mirror. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear steel 15-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, 2 small dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear steel 15-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, 2 dents. Right front steel 15-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Manual gear stick. AC controls. Single stack factory CD player. Interior mirror. Courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.